Assalamu alaikum. I am Nilufar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome to my online class. So, dear students, today I discuss with you a new chapter, chapter 11, Weather and Climates. So, please take your science book and open your book, page number 73. Weather affects how you dress and what to do. Using the experience on climate, we can decide when we have to cultivate which crops. The changes of the elements of weather and climate influences cultivation of crops, fishes and rearing domestic animals, birds. Moreover, due to climatic changes, global temperature is increasing and ecological balance is hampered. As a result, floods, drought, salinity, cyclone, etc. break out in disastrous forms. In this chapter, we would learn the concepts of weather and climate and their elements. So, dear students, in your textbook, page number 73, you can see our activity. You have to do it at your home using weather forecast. Okay, please turn over your page. Discussion. When is the best time of you to plan a picnic? Why? 1. What is the usual weather condition of Bangladesh in February? Number 2. How can we guess about the weather condition of coming April of the next year in advance? We hear the news of weather on radio and television. We get the also come to know about the future information of temperature, humidity, condition of the sky. This future information is said to be weather forecast. So, the daily condition of the atmosphere of a particular place is called weather. So, dear students, do you know what is weather? Weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. Weather is different in different places and at different time of the day. I repeat it again. Weather is the temporary state of sky and the atmosphere at a certain place. Weather is different in different places and at different time of the day. The weather is influenced by the local monsoonal wind flow. Weather is quick changing and it does not influence much on the qualities of the soil. And weather influences on the nourishing of crops of particular place. Now I discuss with you climate. We often hear the terms climate change. If we want to know about climate, we must need to know about weather. The climate of a place is the average of weathers of the duration of 25 to 30 years of that place. So, what is climate? Climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. It can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. I repeat it again. Climate is the changes of usual weather pattern in a certain area. It can also be described as the average weather condition of a certain area for a long period of time. Climate is the average condition of the atmosphere in a place for a long time. Climate is slowly changing. Weather is quick changing and climate is slowly changing. So you have to remember it. It influences on the qualities of the soil. It influences on the varieties of crops and the selection of breeds of a particular place. Climate is the changes of usual pattern. in certain area. Therefore, we can predict daily weather based on the experience and knowledge of climate on our place. However, our personal prediction may not always correct. That is because weather is changing all the time. Weather and climate are not the same, though there is a close relation between them. Weather is the condition of sky and the atmosphere of a place for a short time. Climate is the general condition of weather of a place for many years. The rainy season of Bangladesh starts in the middle of June, beginning of Ashar, and ends in August, Straban to Bhadra. The onset date of monsoon rain changes every year. However, we do know the probable time when the rainy season starts from our experience about climate. Dear students, now I discuss with you air pressure and wind. Do you know what is air pressure? Air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the pressing down on the earth's surface. I repeat it again. Air pressure is the force produced by the weight of the pressing down on the earth's surface. Wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. So what is wind? Wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. So dear students, you can see another activity in your textbook, page number 75. What makes high and low pressure of air? So the activity is heating sand and water. So what to do? So you also can do it at your home. Fill one tray with sand 1 centimeter deep and another tray with water 1 centimeter deep. If possible, put one thermometer into the sand and the other thermometer into the water. Check the warmth of water and sand surface by using pump. Place two trays under the sunlight. Predict which tray will heat up faster. After 20 to 30 minutes, compare the warmth of water and sand surface by using pump and confirm the prediction. If possible, use a thermometer and measure the temperature of sand and water. Move both trays to a cool shaded area and leave it for an hour. So you can see a note. Water and sand should be kept in classroom at least for 1 day in order to indicate same warmth before the experiment. Also sand should be dry. So dear students, you can do it at your home. You also can use 2 plates doing the activity. Okay, please turn over your page. Sand surface becomes warmer than water after placing under the sunlight. Also, sand surface cools down first under the shade. Based on this experiment, we can conclude that the land or sand heats up and cools down faster than the water. Now I discuss with you low pressure and high pressure. So I don't mean that human blood pressure or blood pressure, low pressure or high pressure. I mean that weather, low pressure and high pressure. So I read the lesson. During the daytime, land become warmer than the water and the warmer land warms the air above. Air that is warmed becomes lighter than the surrounding air, so it rises up. As a result, low pressure develops over the land. On the other hand, air over the ocean is cooler and heavier, so it sinks. Then high pressure develops over the ocean. The wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area in order to replace the rising warmer air by the cold air. At night, the land is cooler than the ocean. Therefore, high pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. I repeat it again. High pressure develops over the land and low pressure develops over the ocean. In Bangladesh, we experience southwest monsoon wind during rainy season and northeast monsoon wind during winter season as shown below. In rainy season, example given as June to August, the land of Bangladesh is warmer than the Bay of Bengal. In winter season, December to February, the land is cooler than the Bay of Bengal. This seasonal temperature contrast of the land and the ocean develop high and low pressure system. So dear students, it produces monsoon wind system. So you can see two picture, summer or winter, the southwest and northwest monsoon. So dear students, no more today. Please read the lesson carefully and do the activity at your home. Okay, no more today. Next class I discuss with you the components of weather and climate. Please note down today's homework with page 75 to 76. Actually, this chapter is totally based on theoretical topics. So you have to read at least 3 times. Okay. I hope you have finished your writing. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.